In this video, I will show you how to type the checkmark symbol in Excel. To begin, click on the Insert tab located at the top of your Excel window. This will bring up various options for adding content. Next, look for the symbol option within this menu. Click on it, and a new window will pop up displaying different symbols available for use. Now, in this symbol window, double-click on the Font drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to type in Wingdings. After selecting Wingdings, scroll down through the list of symbols until you reach the very bottom. There you'll find the check mark symbol. Once you've located it, simply click on it to select it and then hit Insert. You should now see a check mark appear in your Excel cell. Now that we've covered one way to insert a check mark, let's explore a quicker method that many users may prefer. First off, click on the Home tab at the top of your screen. In this section, change the font of your selected cell or cells to Wingdings 2. This is crucial as it allows us to use specific keyboard shortcuts for inserting various symbols quickly. Once you've done that, simply type a capital letter P, and voila! A checkmark appears right before your eyes. But wait, there's more. If you type a capital letter O, you'll see a cross symbol instead. If you're interested in using checkbox options too, type capital letter Q, which gives you a checkbox with a cross inside it. And lastly, if you type capital letter R, you'll receive another checkbox but this time filled with a check. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.